Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents its 2010 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Equipped with a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 AEV engine conversion and a 4-speed automatic transmission. This car is finished in gorgeous silver exterior color and black leather interior. This Jeep is nicely optioned from the factory with a unique list of upgrades including AEV 5.7 Hemi Conversion Kit, navigation, paint to match Freedom hardtop, exterior Titan fuel tank, XRC winch, AEV wheels with general tires and matching spare, LED light bar, front bumper lights and rear lights, custom roof rack with shovel, custom step bars, lift suspension kit with reservoir shocks, under seat air compressor in rear, and much more.